Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's subscription box Saturday, and on this video, I'm going to show you what I got in my May Boxycharm. So, without further ado, let's see what's in this thing. Okay, guys, so here's my box. It's a lot smaller than what I'm used to. Just saying, I'm used to a bigger box, but that's totally fine. They're probably just trying to be more efficient with their packaging, and I can totally appreciate that. All right, let's pop it open. Boom, here you go. Boxycharm card upside down. Cool. All right, so they always include the card that lets us know how much everything is worth and the benefits of each product, which is really nice. So let's dig right in. We have a True Plus Luscious Flower Dose Plumping Lip and Eye Serum. Plumping lip and... How do you plump your eyes? Who wants plumper eyes? I don't know. Plumper eye? Okay. Here it is, guys. So sorry. But that kind of threw me. I mean, I don't know. Let me take a look at it. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Okay. So it's like, I don't know. You know, whatever. I think it'd be really cool to watch me try and use this. But, okay. I mean, why do you plump your eyes? Should I never read the benefits of this stuff anymore, but this has me intrigued. This is 0.5 fluid ounces that they put in here. So, the value of it is $34. It's a supercharged treatment serum and primer for lips and eyes designed to be used alone or as a nourishing base for makeup. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and a blend of botanicals, including orchid stem cells, rose, and passion fruit extracts that help visibly reduce fine lines and improve elasticity. Okay, so I can see that's why you would use it for your eyes, but I don't know. When I thought plumper, I thought, you know, like making them look fuller, so I don't know. Let's move on to the next product because I really messed that up. Okay. So I have Brow Lights Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter Pencil. Okay, so this got a little banged up in the box, which is totally fine. I'm sure that the inside of it is probably okay. So let's open this up and check it out. Alrighty-dighty. So here it is, guys. This is what it looks like. Looks like we got two ends. Looks like there's like a variation in color from each and from end to end here, so you know, whatever. I probably won't use this. I'll probably most likely give it to my niece because I wouldn't even know where to start to try to use something like this, so you know, whatever. We'll see how that goes. Then we have a Luna Magic primer base, volumes and thick. Oh, it's a lash primer. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just started using products like this, and let me tell you, they make a huge difference. I am a huge fan, and I'm going to continue to buy products like this for my lashes because I don't wear fake lashes. So this is definitely helping. So here's the product. Sorry, I didn't even show it to you, but I'm super, super stoked. I got one of these in my mystery box from Cal's Mailjoy. I love it. I mean, I love it. Here's the inside of it, guys. Okay, so this is super awesome. I'm really excited to have this because, like I said, the one that I got from Cal's Mailjoy is awesome. Oh, did I tell you the value of the brow lights? I don't think I did. Wow, awesome. You can tell I haven't unboxed in a while. No wonder why nobody watches your unboxing videos. Okay, so the Brow Bar Brow Lights is $16 value for that pencil. And then the Luna Magic Pink Lash Primer, the value is $25. So that's cool. I would definitely buy that again for 25 bucks if it works good. Ooh, this looks like the cream of the crop, so we'll do that last. Okay, so we have this NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. So, guys, I really don't use lip pencils that often. I should, but I don't. You know, I might give it a go. Why not? Let's take a look at it. Cool, cool, cool. Here it is outside of the packaging here, and let's pop it open. All right, yeah. I mean, the color's not bad. I'll probably, yeah. Can you guys see that? I hope. I will zoom in so that you guys can see it. But, yeah, obviously I'm not going to give this away. I just, you know. Why am I dropping everything? Awesome. So the value for the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil is $27. Okay, so next we have the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. This is by Sunday Riley. That's why I said it's the cream of the crop. This deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Awesome. So I will definitely be keeping this product and giving it a go because Sunday Riley is a very good brand. This bottle is 1 fluid ounce. So let's see how much this is. $100. Let's have a look. Sunday Riley Good Dreams. Oh, it's $85 is the value for 1 ounce of this stuff. It better be amazing. Just saying. All right, guys. So the total value for the box for this month was $187. Not bad. I am happy with the box overall. I definitely have products that I can use in here. The only one that I most likely won't use is the brow highlighter. I don't know. Maybe I'll give it a try, and if I don't like it, I'll still give it to my niece. We'll have to see how it goes. I'll have to watch a tutorial on what exactly you do with that, like how you put it on, because I would have no idea. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. If anybody's interested in getting Boxycharm, this was the Boxycharm base box. It is $25 a month. I will have a link in my description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! All right, you pop it open. It looks like this. It looks like they're trying to be more efficient with their shipping, which I can appreciate it. All right. Appreciate it? What? Okay, we're gonna do this again because like I feel incredibly off. All right, I pop it open and it looks like this. Awesome. So we have a little card telling us how much everything costs, and I don't feel like, oh my gosh, I feel so off. Here's the box. It's a lot smaller than what I'm used to, but that's okay. I think that the boxes were a little too big anyway, so it looks like they're trying to be more efficient with their packaging, which I can totally appreciate. I think it's not working. So they're both the same, I'm guessing. So, you know, cool. I've never used a brow lighter before. Don't know how to use one. Don't know if I'll start using one or if I will pass this off. That's awesome. So my alarm just went off and totally stopped the video. This is a great unboxing. I should probably start over, but I'm not going to. So at any rate, I will probably give this to my niece because I probably won't use it. Should I start over? I feel like I should. This is a terrible